Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to Network. I'm your host, Spiro Makelele, and I'm with Spiro Matwane.
Yes, my brother.
How's it, my brother?
I'm fine, thank you, brother.
I'm good. Speaking of my brother,
Yes, praise the Lord.
Kaizer Chiefs
Yes,
has bought a middle fielder, Tanzanian.
you are right.
He's a defense middle fielder.
Yes, you are right.
His name is Adolf
Mm.
Betegeko.
Yes,
Yeah, he had 5 caps.
yes.
He played 2024 and 2025.
Mm.
And he also played for the qualifying World Cup in 2026.
You said they bought him. For the first time, you are right. Qhubeka.
Yeah, man, he was playing for Azam FC in
Yes.
Tanzania.
Okay.
Your thoughts
But
regarding
the Chiefs
this?
iphume number 1 last season.
Puma number 3.
Azam iphume number 3 now.
Okay.
Yeah, so they want the player who's in their level.
I don't want the player.
I'm joking. Congratulations to
Kaizer Chiefs. Locos. Adolf Betegeko.
Adolf Abedegego.
Betegeko.
Oh, Adolf Betegego. Angmas. The only thing that I know, according to my research, is that he's 27.
Yeah, he's 27
He
years.
was born 1990. I'm told 1990. Yeah, and then what else? Udlala ngathi National Ngomash. It's a defensive midfield.
Yeah.
I'm told, and that he was a captain of that previous team.
Yeah.
But I'm I can't say disappointed because Chiefs got to sign at the first signing. But I'm not pleased with the issue of his caps, 5 caps for Tanzania. You see, when we bring players from outside, we must bring something that we can't find here.
Definitely.
But I think the truth is right now, obviously, price tag it's aboma 8 million, aboma close to 9. Ngitshele masikhuluma during the day ngathi sweet spot Chiefs is below 10. So his price tag is below 10.
I thought it's roughly about 500,000.
What? Renz?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, my man. He's playing for Azad. That's one of the big 3 teams in Tanzania. Tanzania is also becoming a proper league because who's coaching in Tanzania is Steve Barker. Who's coach? Like there's a lot. Sekunama coaching ngathi my 3 Tanzania versus South Africa. So even Manqoba Mngqithi is going to coach younger. Manqoba is taking many South Africans, so you can see which is South Africa. So now we needed to bring one of their own because a lot of our coaches are taking their crew. I'm told. So yeah, no, the boy for me with the issue of Thabo Cele, maybe they know good Thabo Cele, Ronald Thabo Cele, ishayile, hayi lo mjida kasabuyi. I'm told. Plus bayazi ukuthi khona umkotla bazowuthola
Ngolilepo.
ilento bengikutshela ukuthi bazozama ukuthi bathole imali because if abantu bayazi ukuthi banemali bazofuna ukuba overcharge, so khona manje basadlala leyo profile bayazi ukuthi bazoyibuyisela la beyikhona. Uyangithola, bazoyibuyisela la beyikhona le nyuku, then mhlawumbe bathole 1 or 2 players, mhlawumbe bazozama ukuthi bathole ulanga elihle phili. Uyangithola. So if right now they get to there's 3 players, 2 free, 1 bought, or Adolf. Yabo. So if bangathola omunye wokugcina, maybe this week or next week, I think they will try to, what I know Chiefs how they do, they try which ama-signing wabo abe khona during the Toyota Cup, bagcokikipa kugcwele laphaya. So maybe they might try and get another signing. I'm just thinking, yabo. But as you said when we were giving a discussion that the window is still far to close. So there's a lot of things that they can use of September.
End of September.
So for all that we can say is no, we hope boy that Ox Mthetho Second Rosa is going to eat ice now.
Competition.
Yeah, competition, and maybe we have not received an update whether they renew this contract or not. I think we was about Jimmy Salabaya.
Didn't they say they gave him a 1-year contract?
Oh yeah, you're right. Ox, yeah, they gave him a 1-year contract, but I'm sure this guy 1 year they're just phasing him out. So then there's Lebogang Maboy, there's this boy, there's Ndlovu. I'm talking about the engine. And there was Refloss, there was an option for attacking midfield. there's a lot of options, at least in that position. Now we need wingers
Yeah,
and
definitely. we
maybe
need
one more
wingers.
striker.
Nah, 3.
3.
Yeah, I have
There are
options.
5 strikers.
I'm fair to Mayo went to Lucas, went to a surgery.
Yes.
So we are not sure ukuthi
Ighodaro.
makazobuya kanjani.
Who? Silva. Flavio Silva.
Ighodaro, Silva, Mayo, and
Duba, Duprice.
Duba and
Duba and Duprice.
Duprice. Maybe he might also go.
We have not confirmed yet. We'll talk when it's already confirmed. I'm told.
Yeah, but the players that you are referring to, Abeko are intimidate, man.
I'm not disputing that. You are talking about Kaizer Chiefs that just made their first signing of buying right now. Who did they buy? Somebody that you did not know, that you needed to research. Who's this guy? I don't even know his name yet.
Yeah.
Who at least omaziyo ngoba niso. This guy, but he's a church boy. I like him. I went to his Instagram page there and said, "Welcome home, my boy. You must welcome home. Still young, 27, still can play, young chap. We just hope that he marshals that defense so that we out him too. Like remember when Lesulonyana was playing in the defense, in the defensive midfield. They like box to box, but we need somebody who's able to also attack, but also good in defense. So I hope that he gives us what we need. But all I can say is that I'm happy for the new development, the signings, and laba mahala nalono thengiwe. I know siyabonga. Kusashota manje. There's still a lot that needs to be done. I'm not going to be too excited because I still need strikers, but according to what I hear, Angithi Urulani left the team Tripoli.
Yeah.
So he's in now Pyramids that won the Champions League. They're saying that he's whispering to the ear of Shalulile and Tsofazo Mabasa because he's always loved Tsofazo Mabasa.
True.
He coached him in Orlando Pirates. He wanted him with Sundowns. Then things didn't work out between him and that technical director. So now Fleming back. So now he has the opportunity to get him because he's free. So why Mabasa has not signed any team? Maybe he told him, ngisazoya somewhere, ngisazohlanganisa intambo, so hlangana somewhere in the Pyramids wena yenza umsebenzi wakho ukora.
Mabasa is free, so I don't understand why Chiefs can be able to sign this player. And Mabasa, remember what happened with Ronaldo Lina?
Yes.
We spoke about Ronaldo Lina when the season started. They didn't buy Ronaldo Lina. They bought Ronaldo Lina now.
They didn't buy him. They took him for free.
They took him for free now. So how can Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know, Gucci why was slow. Maybe then Gucci they had to buy him. He's free. Now he's free. Now Tsofato Mabaso is free. Why they can also take him?
Maybe.
So that ukonukuleti competition because of we know Gucci the bees pili. Like there's nothing going on now,
Yeah, maybe the thing is, Tsofazo Mabasa, maybe I think he's 30 years. Maybe he's looking at his age and he's saying to himself, what more can I achieve? I need a team maybe that can win the league. I need a team maybe that can win the Champions League because although he's part of the team that won the league with Pirates, but maybe didn't get his medal because he was off on loan. You understand? So maybe he's saying, I've not won a league in my career. Maybe he thinks that Chiefs is not the team that can win the league. But with him, the possibility becomes higher and he will get a lot of credit and glory because he would have taken a team that has not won the league in a long time, and his arrival, maybe he can go down as a legend of Kaizer Chiefs of helping them, like Maradona. Diego Maradona went to Barcelona, he used to play, but had a fallout with the president and the people because of his behavior. You know how Maradona was. Then he went to Napoli. Napoli was a relegation team. He took Napoli from relegation team in the first season, he put them on number 8, second season number 3, and then finally they won the league. Then it was known that Maradona is a god of Napoli. You understand? So maybe Tsofazo also would do that part. Yeah, we don't know what's going on behind the scene. We can only wait and pray. Yeah, what are your final parting words? Before parting words, please subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment. what do you think about the new guy? Mhlambe usawumbonile ku YouTube, you've seen some videos, you have some information, or you are happy. Maybe you'll come and become also a legend of the team. And what else? You want to talk about some of us? What else?
My last words is that they need to buy Tsogofatso or Shalulile. They must buy those players. We need strikers. Okay, congratulations to them buying Wadolf. But what hurts me most is that they can be able to buy a player from Tanzania. Meantime, we had a player whom there were rumors that he's wanted with Kaizer Chiefs and Maswef. No, Tsogofatso Mabasa. Before the season ended, you know, and we know he's a key player. We've seen him go Pirates. We've seen Shalulile go Sundowns. So these are the players. If you want to win the league, because I'm not convinced that Kaizer Chiefs wants to win the league.
Yeah, if you want to win the league, and also
I'm just confused with
the thing about Shalulile. I'm not sure whether when they gave him a clearance, they said, "Well, don't sign to any local team." I've not found that information yet, but it's things that I'm hearing. But Tsogofatso, they're supposed to go for him 100%. They're supposed to go for him 100%. But anyways, he's a defensive midfielder. Nothing to be too happy about. We still need strikers.
We still need strikers. We still need wingers.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and comment. Dango. This is Love and Peace. Kaizer Chiefs here to Network. Dango.
Love and Peace.